I'm going to teach you how to create your own PayPal account here in Nigeria. Remember that late last year, PayPal announced they are coming to Nigeria, and as I speak to you, PayPal is already working fully in Nigeria. Yesterday, I created my own PayPal account here in Nigeria, and it is working. You can actually send and also receive your money with this account with no interruption. And you don't even need to use VPN. Yes, you heard me right. No VPN. You're not going to be hiding under any country. A few years back, Nigerians have been kicked out of PayPal for no reason. I don't know exactly why that happened, but it has been difficult for freelancers and people earning online to withdraw their earnings online because almost all the platforms request for PayPal accounts. I personally has lost my first brand deal because I had no PayPal account. But today, the story has changed. I'm going to teach you how you can set up your own PayPal account here in Nigeria with your Nigerian details. Your email address, your phone number, your address, and everything should be from Nigeria if you're already in Nigeria. Now, all you need to do is to make sure that the email address you want to use has never been used before on PayPal platform. And also your phone number has never been used before on PayPal platform. If that's not the case, let's dive into it. Do not forget to subscribe and also hit the like button to like the video so that the algorithm will push it out for more views. Okay guys, let's dive into it. This is exactly how to create a working PayPal account from Nigeria. You don't need VPN, you don't need anything. Go to your web browser, go to Chrome and type paypalbusiness.com. Once you type it, you're going to get in here. Click on sign up. Okay, make sure that you already have email address that you've never used on PayPal platform before and a phone number you have never used before. Now, this is the first form that will come up. Fill in your first name. Make sure that your first name is the same as it is on your ID. Now, type in your first name, type in your legal last name, which is your surname, and select your country. Now, you don't need to select or forge any country. Nigeria is now allowed on PayPal platform. And I don't mean the PayPal that you can only send money and not receive. This particular PayPal account I'm going to teach you how to create is going to allow you receive and also send money. Nigeria is now legally allowed on PayPal. All right. Remember the end of last year, they announced they are coming to Nigeria. So immediately I entered my country. They requested for a security challenge, which I clicked and said I am not a robot. Now, the next is to enter your phone number. Now, entering your phone number, use your correct Nigerian phone number. Start from 70 or 80 or 90. Do not write 080 or 070 or 090. That first zero, make sure that you delete it. Start from the second number. Now, the next thing is your email address, and make sure that the contact information you're going to be using here are all verifiable, meaning they are going to send a code to that email address or phone number. Make sure that it is a phone number that is close to you so that immediately they send a code, you'll be able to copy it and verify the phone number. The same thing with the email address you will be using. Use email address that you still have access to. Some of you have an old email address that you don't even have the password, or you don't even know the phone the email address is connected to anymore. Don't do that. Now, the next thing is your password. You have to create a simple but strong password for your PayPal account. After then, check in the box and click on agree and create account. Agree and create account, and you will create your PayPal account and continue the process. It's not going to end here. There are so many processes like verification, a lot of things, but I'm going to walk you through all that. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and also like the video so that others will see it. Please, that's the only support. You support me. Hit the like button to like the video, and also subscribe so that you get to see more videos on social media growth, AI, and online making money. So once you're done, they said you have made some changes. They now send a code. They sent a code to that email address, sorry, to that phone number. So what I did was to go to the phone number, copy it and paste it here. Remember what I said earlier, that you should use a phone number you have access to or that is close to you, because they will send a code immediately. Copy that code and paste it, and then verify the phone number. Just click on submit and submit the code. If the code is correct, you see this, you are all set. Okay, now they are redirecting you to another different page. We are going to another stage. Activate your account to start using PayPal. Remember, this is a business account, so they want to know more about the business. Simply click on Let's Go and they will be able to ask you some questions about the business. Before we start, which describes you best? From here, we have two options. Is either your business is individual seller stroke, sole proprietor, or business. For business, there are documents to back it up. Because we don't have documents, we're going to choose the first option. Simply click on individual seller. So from this box where they say business type, choose either individual or sole proprietor. Okay, so I decided to choose sole proprietor. Ensure you have enough internet connection to be able to complete this process. Okay, now on the next page they say fill us in on the basics, Jennifer. So my first name is already there, my last name is already there, so I will go on and enter my date of birth, then enter, just fill out all the whole information. Nigeria is already there. Remember, we have already filled a similar form like this before, but because of the business, they are going to ask us again. Now coming to the address, since it is individual business or sole proprietorship business, we are going to use our residential address as our business address. But if your business has a different address, then you can use a different address. So you don't, if you have two addresses, you can enter two addresses, but if you don't, one address is very fine. I used one address and it worked for me. But if you have to, go ahead and fill out the two boxes for the address. Now, after your address, the next is city, then postcode, state capital. Carefully select all those information and click on next. Please pay attention. Let me emphasize that the address you are going to use must be correct because they are going to verify it. I don't even know how these people do it, but they are going to verify it. I tried using a random address, but they found out and rejected it. They said I should double check that their system is having trouble recognizing it. I simply clicked on go back to make changes and I was able to re-edit it and enter the correct address, and at this time it worked. After editing it, I simply clicked on next. Confirm your address. They said I should confirm, and there is the one they said they recommended. I simply clicked on the one they said they recommended because I cross-checked and it's almost the same thing. I simply clicked on the one they recommended and clicked on confirm. Moving on, guys, I clicked on confirm, and guys, we got here. They said tell us about your business or organization. We securely store the information you share. Now the first one is the name of the business. Now we are going to use your name as the business name. So these are the information. I just want to scroll so you guys see all the information needed here. Remember, it is similar to the other one we filled before, but this one is information about your business. But remember, we chose individual or sole proprietor, which means we are going to use our information, our details, because this kind of business is not different from the individual or the owner. So we are going to be using our information. They even suggested just use your full legal name for now. The box, they said, what's your business registration number? I did not put anything and it worked. If you have a business registration number, you can put it in there. But if you don't have, skip that box, go to the next box, primary currency, leave it at US dollar. Now the next is your product or service. We are going to click inside that box and choose the kind of job or business that you do. Simply click inside that box, scroll through and find exactly the kind of job you do. If you don't see the exact job that you do here, click on something similar. There is no way they verify whatever it is that you do. Simply click on something similar to the job that you do, or if you find the exact job, you then select it. I finally saw something that looked similar to what I do. I clicked on advertising services. The next is, do you have a business website? I don't have. If you do, you click on yes. If you don't, click on no. Next is, what's the business's business address? Simply check in the box that said use your residential address. Then simply click on next, and that's it. You don't even need to start afresh and start writing another address. But if your business address is actually different, then you can go ahead and enter a different address. All right, cross check your information and then click on next. In case you forgot to subscribe the other time, please let it touch your heart to subscribe. Also hit the like button to like this video so that others will see it. Interacting with the video helps the algorithm to notice that the video is helpful. Now they say congrats, you are all set. Now we've been able to create a working PayPal account. You are going to click on go to home page so you see the interface of your PayPal account, and this PayPal can collect money from anywhere. Let me take you to the interface of the PayPal account we just created so that you see how it looks. This is a very active PayPal account that can receive and send money anywhere in the world. There are other things you need to do, like verifying your email, verifying your identity and all that. I'm going to walk you through that process in a different video because I wouldn't want this video to be too long. So guys, that's all about how to create a working PayPal account from Nigeria. If you have any question, to let me know in the comment section. You don't need a VPN to create a working PayPal account in Nigeria as of 2026. All right, so guys, this is going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also subscribe so that you get to see more videos from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email address, how to verify your identity, and also how to link your bank account to your PayPal account. See you in my next video. Bye bye.